Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Alibaba app on your mobile phone. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Now, that's dependent on the device that you use. Okay, so currently I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to have to punch the Play Store icon in here for it to open up the Google Play Store page. If you're using an iPhone, then that's really going to be the Apple Store. So just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar in the application. So this is Google Play Store and the search bar is just right on top. So from this search bar, I'm just going to have to type in Alibaba and punch the search button. There's the magnifying lens at the bottom right corner of my screen. So it takes me right into this page where you have the alibaba.com B2B marketplace. So I'm just going to open that. So click that and it takes you right into this window. So over here you have the uninstall option and you have the update option. All right, but if you have not downloaded and you're new to downloading this application, instead of uninstall, you're going to find install, just like it is right here under here. You're going to find the install button. So once you click on it, you're going to have to wait a couple seconds for the app to be downloaded. It doesn't really take that much to install, or it doesn't take that much to download. Just ensure that you have a stable internet connection, all right, and your network is not affected in any way, so as not to slow down the process of downloading. So instead of uninstall, you're definitely going to find the install button. I have installed it already, that's why it's in the uninstall, but this is really going to change to install. So click on it and just wait for it to be downloaded. Once it's done downloading, you're going to get the information that it has been installed, and you're going to see the open button. So click on the open button and that's going to take you right into the application from here. So that's pretty much the process. It is also same with the Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.